how to fix the issue where your Sony TV won't turn on but you're seeing a red flashing light. So whether you have a Sony Bravia or you just have a Sony television, then I'm going to show you a few steps to go and solve this issue. Now all you need to do is go and perform a power cycle of your device. Now to do that, we first need to disconnect anything going to the television. So this is usually all of the HDMI cables at the back. Once everything's disconnected, you then need to go and power off your TV. You then need to come round to the main power supply and you're going to unplug the TV from the wall for around about 60 seconds. Once this is unplugged, you're going to come round to the physical television and you need to locate the power button on the actual TV. So this can sometimes be found underneath the Sony logo, or you may be able to find this on the back of the unit as well. Now once you found the power button, go and hold this down for an additional 30 seconds and this will drain any power that may be left inside of the device. Now once you've done this, go and release the power button. You can then come round to the main power supply and just go and replug your TV back into the wall. Once your TV is plugged back into the wall, you can then try turning it on. If it doesn't turn on using the TV remote, you can also try using the physical button on the device as well. And hopefully now that should have solved the black screen and not turning on issue. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.